Okay, great. So, uh, today we'll see how to create a XPath using relative locators. Okay. So, previously, what we are trying to do, like we are using that preceding sibling and following sibling, right? So, but today we'll be seeing, I will be not using that preceding sibling for following sibling. Okay. So, we'll be using that relative locators, which is available in Selenium 4 features, which is newly introduced. And what are all these relative locators we have? That is above, to right of, to left of, below, and below, straight above. And there are more, but most of the things most of the time we are using these type of things: above, to right of, to left of, below, straight above. These are all these. Okay. So let's see how to do that. Okay. So for that, I'll be taking that these big info. This is one website, and this website I'll be trying to automate, and I'll be show you how to use the relative locators. Okay? So for that, just a minute. So for that, what I'm trying to do, I'll be creating the XPath for Rohit Sharma, and I'll be trying to found Shubham Gill or these Latham B Rabindra, these type of things, and C Phillips B Standard, these type of things I'll be founding from that to take the reference of Rohit Sharma. Okay. So previously, before introducing relative locator, so how we will be founding that element, like we are founding like element using preceding sibling and following sibling, right? So we are taking the reference for Rohit Sharma, and what we will be tweak, we will be fetching that element for Shubham Gill. But we will be not using that today. We will be not using that for following sibling and preceding sibling. Without following sibling and preceding sibling, we will be trying to find out that batsman name and other things also. Okay. So let's see how to do that. So first, we need to take that inspect of the element, inspect of the web page. So before that, what I will be trying to do, I will be creating this one package. Inside that, or Selenium practice, I'll be creating that relative locators concepts. Okay. And there I'll deleting this one package info not needed, and there I'll be creating one class, that is click info. Okay, info, right? And I'll be not using public static void main because I'll be using that at the text-ng. So for that, this is my pom.xml file, and there I introduced, means I added that library Selenium and also text-ng. Selenium 4.28 and Selenium text-ng 7.10 I have added. Good. Then what I'll be trying to do, I'll be just using private WebDriver, right? Private WebDriver, and then driver I'll be introducing, and then at the rate we will be using that before class, right? We have that before class, and then public void setup, right? So here, what I'll be trying to do, driver new Chrome driver. I'll be trying to invoke that new Chrome driver using the driver reference, web driver reference, and then what I'll be trying to do, driver dot manage dot windows. Before that, driver dot get. So there I'll be passing that URL. So complete URL I'll be passing from here. So this is my complete URL. So as of now I'm doing hard coded because I'm showing this purpose of the demo. And okay, then after that I'll be maximize this window, and then I need to delete. If you want to delete some cookies, so manage dot delete all cookies. And then what I'll be trying to do, I'll be using some wait element, means implicit wait I'll be providing. Manage dot times out dot implicit wait, then duration of seconds, like I'll be providing 40 seconds. Let's assume 40 seconds. Okay. Then this is my before class, and then I'll be providing at the rate test. So there I'll be writing my test cases. So public void test. Okay. So this is my test cases. So I'm trying to write. So this one. So here, what I'll be trying to do that, I'll be found the element, right, of Rohit Sharma, as I told, right? So if that Rohit Sharma, it will be not a static value, it will be like a dynamic value. I'll be taking that name, any name from not Rohit Sharma. I can take the name Virat Kohli, I can take the name Shreya Shayar, I can take the name Subham Gill. So like that only, I'll be writing that X path. Okay. So let's see how to write the X path for that. Uh, so here, where is that Rohit Sharma is available? So in this deep class, right? So here I'll be founding that I'll be writing that class and then this class and there just a minute there so there it will be like class A then span. Okay. So span, just a minute. Span, uh, okay, span, span, and inside that span we have one more span, and then we have that Rohit Sharma, right? Span, then text is equal to, so here I can write Rohit Sharma. So see that it is coming one of two, right? Okay, fine. So one of two, if it is coming, then what I can do, I can do that indexing for that. So two of, so where it will be found in here, right? So no, I will be these are. So now it is one of one, right? So I'll be copying this X bar, okay, and I'll be providing as a so driver dot find element by dot X path, and then I'll be providing that X path here, okay. So and but this name, as I told you, I'll be not doing this hard coded. So these things I'll be providing into the string that string name, just a name. I'm just providing the Rohit Sharma here, and these name I'll be providing here. So these things it will be like a dynamic things. So you can pass from your properties file or somewhere else or Excel sheet somewhere else this name, and you can. So you can add this. You can uh, concat this name with that X path. Okay. So today is Rohit. So tomorrow I want to check for Virat Kohli. See that Virat. So there will be no changes for that Virat. Sorry, Kohli. See that Virat Kohli is pointing out, right? So for Shreya Share, copy this name and sorry, copy this name and provide in Shreya Share instead of Virat Kohli if you want to Shreya Share. So see, there it is pointing out. So any name you can. So like that only you can provide that. Rohit Sharma's. I'm providing the Rohit Sharma. I'm taking this example. Okay, Rohit Sharma name, and I'm providing this one. Now, what I'll be trying to do, I will be trying to find out these elements. Okay, I'll be finding out Shubham Gill name using the take the reference for Rohit Sharma. I'll be finding that Shubham Gill name without preceding sibling and following sibling. How to do that? Okay, so as I told, so we have that relative locators in Selenium. So there we have that above, to right of, to left of, below, straight above. Now you can see that how it is Rohit Sharma and where that Shubham Gill is present below, right? Below to Rohit Sharma, right? So same what I'll be trying to do, I'll be writing that X path like that only. So divert dot find element, and then we have that relative locator. See that this is relative locators. Okay, This is the class name which is available in org OpenQA Selenium support dot locators. Okay, dot dot. Whenever you will be click on dot, then we have that method, that is static method, which will be which is passing that by locators. Okay, it will be passing by the locator. So this is this is the static method which is available in relative locator class. Relative locator is a class and with is a static method. So there I am passing that with, and there you can provide that by dot tag name or XPath anything. So we have that by dot tag name or XPath. So let's see using the tag name. So I'm using that tag name. Okay. And which tag it will be available? Subham Gill. Okay. Subham Gill is available div tag inside the div tag, then a slash tag slash tag. So let's take this one. Let's see how it will be looks like. Then, then where this element will be present? Okay. Web element. So before that, I need to pass this element. Okay. Just a minute. I'll be doing that later. So here we have that below. See that? Whenever you will be clicking on that dot, so you'll be getting that below, right? Below. So in that below is that method which is overloading method which is passing by the locator, this is passing by the web element, and state below we have that below we can use that state below. Okay, so state below also overloading method by locator by web element. Okay, so let's assume I am be taking this web element. Okay, so web element, which web element I need to pass? So before, so by passing that web element you need to these to do this element, whatever that which element you are taking the reference, right? That element you need to pass. So here I'm passing this web element as a Rohit Sharma, so I'm providing that name as a dynamic name, and there I'm be providing this one, and then I'll be using that get. Okay, so then I'll check, I'll be passing this value is equal to this one. Okay. So now system.out.println batsman uh, name of batsman, right? So, or batsman name, something, anything that we provide, or name we can provide. Let's look in something or batsman. Okay. So now let's see uh, to run that program, see how to run this one and how it will be fetching that element. Okay, let's see if we found any error. I will be debugging that error. Okay, let's see how to do that and how it is looks like. Yeah, it's done. Right now, go back and no failures and no failures. See that Subham Gill, right? So where it will be, see in that. See, before, after, below Rohit Sharma, we have that Shubham Gill, right? Shubham Gill, correct? Now, what I'll try to do, I'll change that Rohit Sharma name to Virat Kohli, right? Not Kohli, Virat Kohli. Okay, just a minute. Virat Kohli. Okay, this name I'll be providing, and then what I'll do below element. So I'll be founding that name for the below element. Okay. So see that which below element it will be founding. It will be, as per my knowledge, it will be Shreya Share, right? According to our DOM structure, according to our understanding, it will be providing the Shreya Shire name. Let's see, it will be printing the Shreya Shire name or not. It will be taking loading. Okay. Okay. Manually, I'm stopping this one because it's keep on loading. So let's see. Okay. So no failure. Okay. Name is Shreya Shire Kim. Now I want to uh, this is I want to get that value. Just close this one. This one also I will be closing. Okay. Now I want to take this value. Shubham Gill. Okay. Let's see. So string uh, above value. then driver dot find element, then relative locator dot with, and then by dot tag name is div, let's div, and then above, sorry, and above locator is element dot get, right? So get text. Okay. So now I'll be printing this Shubham Gill name, right? So above element. So I'll be name of above element, name of above element. Okay. So above value. So these things I want to print. So first it will be finding that Virat Kohli name, and there from below it will be like Shreya Shayar, and after that it will be providing the name for Shubham Gill also, right? Because as per the DOM structure, it is like that. And Virat Kohli above is Shubham Gill, and below is who is below? Below is Shreya Shayar, right? See, sorry, done. See that? Yeah. First is Shreya Shayar, and name of the above element is Shubham Gill. Now we have completed this one, right? Uh, Above and below, correct? Now we have to check for the right of, to left of, straight above, all those things, right? Let's see how to do that. And first we need to find out that X path for that, right? So how I'll have to these X path. I want to check this X path. I want to find get that value LBWB Bracewell, this one. Okay. So who is taking that wicket for the Virat Kohli? I'll be printing this one. Okay. So how I'll be printing this one? So let's see. Driver dot find element. Again, okay. The relative locator dot with, right? Relative locator dot with, and then so this one I want to which tag name or okay, which tag name it will be inside that. There is span. Okay, there is span TD inside the TD. There is a span. Okay, so let's assume this take this one span. Okay, so with by dot tag name. As of now, I'm using the tag name. Later on, I'll be using. I'll be show you that other name also. Okay, other things also. So see, whenever you will be facing that two, and then you will be see that to right of, to left of. Okay, so there are so many to straight left, to straight right. So I'm using the as of now right of. Okay, so right of. So to right of which element? So using this element. Okay, so this element, and then using get. I'm using get. Okay? And these value I'll be storing somewhere else, then only I can print, right? So string value of uh, value one. Let's provide that value one, and then system dot out dot println value one is uh, value one. Correct? Now let's run that. See how to do that. How it is happening. How it will be printing. Let's see if it is not coming, then we'll be debugging that. Hmm, sorry. Uh, will take time. I'll be stop that reloading part. So, okay, it's done. Now, see that? Hmm, no error. Nothing is there. Value is coming as P. It is not taking that actual value. Means whatever value we are expecting, this value is not coming up. Okay. Because uh, because it is taking this value, right? So, okay. We'll be taking this value, right? Where this value it will be inside that. Just a minute. I will show you uh, how to find out this one. Just a minute. Mm, Mhm. Mhm. That is just okay. PT it's TD. Okay, let's see. TD tag name TD. Hmm? Just inside the tag name instead of pan. Let's see tag name TD. Hmm. Done. Sometimes very fast. Sometimes see LBW B ratio we are getting like value one is right. So like that only you can find a write off, right? So this is the write off it is done. Then to left off. To left off also will be see that how to use that to left off. So for to left off now I'll be taking these this is as a this one is a static. Okay. Just a minute. This one I'll be taking as a static ruler because see if I'm taking this Rohit Sharma or Virat Kohli left up, there is nothing is there, right? So so what I can do, or I can use this one, this XPath, run XPath, odd XPath. This is run XPath, and I'll be founding this one. Okay, I'll be found or we can use this one, or let's see how to do that. Give me. Okay. Mm, I will be founding B this one. Okay, let's see. First, I'll be checking this one. Okay. So where it is inside the TD, we have that class. Inside the TD, we have that class, and that class. Okay, in that class, just a minute. Okay, okay, uh, okay. So this is the class name, right? Inside the TD, we have that class name. Right? Inside the TD, we have that class, and then we need to provide this one. Okay, just okay. Uh, oh, okay. Okay. This is class, and inside the class, that we have that span, and then we have that span, and then what we can do for that, and then inside the span, mm, inside the span, just a minute, where is that? Oh, here, right, inside the span, we have this value, correct? Uh, or or this value. This value I want to find, right? This value. This is the span we can use x is equal to no. So it is inside the span. Oh, inside the span, then we have one more span. Correct? Okay. See? It's one of one. Let's see. Okay. So to left, I want to find out that left value. So who is the batsman name? Virat Kohli. Again. So we have so element two is equal to driver dot find element by dot x path and then LBWB as well. So here these name I'll be taking as a join name two and be providing and their name to I am passing. So this is dynamic name as I am passing that name to and there sorry and there what I'll trying to do I'll be finding that name of the batsman name. Okay. Who is the batsman for that. So driver dot find element then relative locator dot with dot by dot tag name. Which tag it will be? Which tag? The name by this name, this Virat Kohli name. Which tag it is? It is in the div tag, right? Inside the div tag, right? So let's see. Let's see. Otherwise, I'll be checking. We'll be checking other tags. And then to left of locators, locators here elements. Left of this element, then get text, right? And then string value 3. I'm providing just printing for that. Okay? So now value 3 is value 3 is here. I'm providing value. Okay, left of. So this is for two left of. Okay, this is for two left of, and this is for two right of. Okay, okay. This is for, and this is for two right of. Okay. Let's see. Let's run that program and let's see how it will be working. Yeah. Now see that there is no failure. All are passes. And see that value 3 is Virat Kohli is coming up properly. Correct. So same. So so we already checked that above, right off, left off, below, straight above, straight below. We'll see that. So how to check for the straight above and straight below? Same for that. So I am not using other element. I'll be using these element and I'll be using these things and I'll be checking the straight above. So straight above is C flip trends. These one I want to print. Okay. So how I'll be printing this one? Driver dot find element relative locators dot with and then by dot tag name. So there we are using the tag. Which tag it is be available? I think it is available in the TD tag, right? Yes, this is the TD tag inside the TD tag. See, TD tag, and then to state above. To I sorry, state above. Then element two, and then a text. If you are using, and then if you are storing this value, string value 4 is equal to this one, and then if you are using system.out.println value sorry value 4 is and then value okay. So let's see, close this one previous things and run this. Okay, so it is loading. Sometimes it's taking because it is this dynamic web page, so it will be taking some time. Yeah, now it is done. See that? See, it is printed and see Phillips B standard. So it is correct. See Phillips B standard. It's coming up. So if you want to then state below, same thing. Value 5 is equal to driver dot find element, then relative locator dot with, and then by dot tag name, then slash td, sorry, td, then state below. See, state right off, state below. Correct? State left off, state like that only. State left off, we are also have state below. So two, element two dot get text. So value and then system dot out dot println value 5 is and then I can use that value 5. So which element I want to print? I want to print because this is my reference and I want to previously I printed C Phillips B standard and now I want to print this one C Ravindra B standard. Okay, let's see it is coming or not. Run this one. and it is loading. Uh, URL got entered, and it is taking some time to load that application properly because it is the Ajax application. Dynamic element, it is so many dynamic element it is there because each and every time that element is getting added. So if it is taking too much of time, what you can do, you can stop this one manually, stop the loading. See, stop loading this page, stop loading this page. Automatically, it will be uh, maximized because you already write the code, right? And see here, no failure, pass, and see Ravinda, value 5. So it is coming properly or not? See that? See Ravinda, because we are taking this reference and see the Rabindra tenor. This one is we got that value, right? This is the with this value we got it. So like that only we can use for that. So this is the thing. So relative locator. So using this relative locator, so we can. So instead of using preceding sibling and following sibling, we can use for that. And also we can use this one very good features in dynamic for the dynamic web table. For the dynamic web table, so instead of using preceding sibling and following sibling, we can use that relative locator, which is already available in Selenium 4. So this is the new features. No one is aware of that, and I am not seeing any video for that. So that's why I'm just creating this video. So if you are means happy with that, or if you are uh, good with that, just subscribe my video, and that's all, nothing else. So this is the thing. So if any new feature will come, I'll be creating this video and I'll be showing you these things. So I'll be providing the information for that for the new features. And thank you guys, thank you very much, and keep learning. Okay, bye. I love.